Hello friends, how are you? In previous lecture we have seen what is carbanion, how there is a formation of carbanion, examples of carbanion and stability of carbanion. Which factors affects on stability of carbanion, that we have seen. Factor number 1, percentage of S character. Factor number 2, negative inductive effect. Factor number 3, that is resonance effect. And factor number 4, aromatization. ये 4 factors stability को affect करते हैं. And as a percentage of S character increases, stability of carbanion also increases because electronegativity is directly proportional to percentage of S character. As a minus I effect and as a negative inductive effect increase होता है तो stability of carbanion increase होती है and it is directly proportional to what? Negative inductive effect. When there is a resonance stabilization of carbanion due to resonance effect, तो स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ती है. अगर किसी कंपाउंड का एरोमेटाइजेशन होता है, यानी एंटी एरोमेटिक टू व्हाट? एरोमेटिक, और नॉन एरोमेटिक टू एरोमेटिक, तो उसकी स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ती है ड्यू टू रेजोनेंस स्टेबिलाईजेशन ऑफ कार्बेनियन. ये हमने पिछले लेक्चर में देखा है. नाउ टुडे वी विल सी एंड वी विल स्टार्ट रिएक्शंस इन व्हिच कार्बेनियन एज अ इंटरमीडिएट. रिमेंबर, कार्बेनियन इज द रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट. कार्बेनियन नेगेटिवली चार्ज कार्बन. कौन कौन से रिएक्शन में कार्बेनियन फॉर्म होता है एज अ इंटरमीडिएट, ये हमें देखना है. एंड वेल नोन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस, यू आर वेल फैमिलियर विद दिस, दैट इज अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन. यू नो व्हाट इज अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन? ALDOL, अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन. Now what is aldol? ये कोई साइंटिस्ट का नाम नहीं है. aldol condensation, see here, which reaction is said to be aldol condensation? ALD यानी A aldehyde का पार्ट है. दिस इज aldehyde और दिस OL indicates alcohol. यानी which compound is said to be aldol? aldol किसे कहते हैं? How to identify aldol? If you want to know in detail, watch this video till the end, so it will be clear to you. And a compound having aldehydic as well as alcoholic functionality, that compound is said to be what? Aldol. Remember that compound is also known as a beta hydroxyaldehyde. यानी एक ही कंपाउंड में aldehydic as well as alcoholic OH, यानी aldol is a multifunctional organic compound. Multifunctional, which compound is said to be multifunctional organic compound? किसे कहते हैं हम? यानी compound having 2 or more than 2 functionalities, 2 different functionality, that is a multifunctional compound. So this aldol, aldehyde and alcohol, that is why it is aldol. Now what is condition for this? And which aldehydes and ketones gives aldol condensation? Can you tell me what is condensation? ये condensation क्या होता है? अगर कोई ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शन में बाय प्रोडक्ट अगर वाटर और स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स लाइक मिथिल अल्कोहल, then that reaction is said to be what? Condensation. When release of small molecules like water or methyl alcohol, that reaction is said to be condensation. इसमें बाय प्रोडक्ट वाटर होता है, वाटर निकल कर जाता है, isn't it? So this is condensation. Example of this and conditions for this. What are the conditions? इसकी conditions क्या है? And aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen, gives aldol condensation. इसकी मेन कंडीशन है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, यानी उस अल्डिहाइड और कीटोन में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होना चाहिए। नाउ क्वेश्चन आ रहा है दैट वो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन क्या होता है, व्हाट इज अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें। सी आई विल टेक सिंपली एसिटल्डिहाइड, ये एसिटल्डिहाइड, aldehydic functionality C double bond OH. Remember with respect to this carbonyl group, yani with respect to this aldehydic group, this carbon is said to be alpha because this carbon is directly proportional to functionality aldehydic group. अगर यहाँ पे और एक कार्बन होता तो वो बीटा होता, ये अल्फा कार्बन है। How many hydrogen atoms are present on this alpha carbon? Here 3 hydrogen atoms are present. And how many alpha hydrogen atoms are there? 3 alpha hydrogen atoms. यहाँ पे 3 alpha hydrogen atoms and acetaldehyde can undergo aldol condensation. ये aldol condensation देता है because what is condition? Alpha hydrogen atoms are required. 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. If present, then it is okay, isn't it? See here, this is alpha. Now, whatever hydrogen atoms are present on this alpha carbon, whether acidic or basic, इनका नेचर क्या है, ये एसिडिक है या बेसिक है। See here, what is the nature of this carbonyl group? We know that carbonyl group is electron withdrawing, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करता है, यानी फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन टू कार्बन ऑफ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप। अब ये कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट हुआ तो ये कार्बन क्या करेगा, हाइड्रोजन के पास से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ले, नॉट एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम हाइड्रोजन बिकॉज ये इक्वल शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा एंड आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड शिफ्टिंग ऑफ बोथ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड्स कार्बन, यानी हाइड्रोजन उसका एक इलेक्ट्रॉन भी डोनेट कर रहा है, इक्वल शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिंगल कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड, ये सिंगल कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड है, कार्बन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और हाइड्रोजन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, इक्वल शेयरिंग होती है। सो हियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हाट, सिंगल कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड। सो हियर aldehyde group is electron acceptor, carbonyl group is electron acceptor. So this carbon is electron deficient, तो ये कार्बन क्या करेगा, आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड शिफ्टिंग ऑफ बोथ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड्स कार्बन, अभी हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, सो विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज, यानी व्हाटएवर हाइड्रोजन आइटम्स आर देयर ऑन अल्फा कार्बन आर एसिडिक, isn't it? Here alpha hydrogens are acidic, alpha hydrogens are acidic, ये एसिडिक है। बीटा, if there is a beta carbon and if there is a beta hydrogen, remember beta hydrogens are less acidic compared to alpha। अगर यहां पे और एक कार्बन है, मैंने CH3 प्रोपेनल लिया, CH3CH2C डबल बॉन्ड OH, प्रोपियोनल्डिहाइड, ये भी aldol कंडेंसेशन देता है बिकॉज यहां पे अल्फा कार्बन है, अल्फा कार्बन पे 2 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन आइटम्स है, यानी इट कैन अंडरगो aldol कंडेंसेशन। अभी अल्फा के बाद में ये बीटा आएगा, हाउ मेनी बीटा हाइड्रोजन आइटम्स, 3, हाउ मेनी अल्फा, 2। यार कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इज इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है, ज्यादा लोड यहां पे होगा, isn't it? So this carbon is electron deficient, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट होगा, तो ये कार्बन क्या करेगा, ये कार्बन इस कार्बन से इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी खींच लेगा, सो हियर इट विल बी, नाउ अगेन दिस इज इलेक्ट्रॉन what deficient, but this carbon is little away from this carbonyl group, yani whatever hydrogen atoms are there, these hydrogen atoms are weakly acidic compared to what, weakly acidic compared to what, alpha hydrogen atoms, yani aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen gives aldol condensation। अब कीटोन का एग्जांपल लूंगा मैं, कीटोन का, here it is, I will take acetone, ये एसीटोन है। Remember when carbonyl group is surrounded by 2 carbon atoms, that compound is said to be ketone। In case of aldehyde, here it is a carbonyl group is surrounded by 1 carbon and 1 hydrogen, so this is aldehyde। एक कीटोनिक है, एक एसीटोन है, name of this compound, common name of this compound is acetone, thinner nail paint remover, ये acetone, okay। Now with respect to carbonyl group, this carbon is alpha, exactly same about this, and a total number of alpha hydrogen atoms are 6. But if we compare reactivity of aldehydes and ketones, which family is more reactive? Whether aldehydic family is more reactive or ketonic family is more reactive? My answer is aldehyde is more reactive than ketone, because as electron deficiency of carbonyl group, अगर कार्बोनिल ग्रुप की इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी बढ़ती है तो उसकी रिएक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी. अगर उसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी कम होती है, इफ देयर इज accumulation of electron density around to this carbonyl group, अगर यहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्यूमुलेट होते हैं यानी उसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी कम हुई, सो रिएक्टिविटी भी उसकी क्या होगी? कम होगी. यानी हियर 2 methyl groups are there, 2 alkyl groups are there, and we know that alkyl group is electron donor, and definitely there is electron density, there is a more electron density compared to what aldehyde. In case of aldehyde, here it is only one alkyl group, here it is hydrogen, yani ketone is less reactive. So condensation in case of ketone is carried out in dilute acidic medium. No doubt it also carries in dilute basic medium, but ketones are less reactive. So in a dilute basic medium, condensation of ketone is slow compared to acidic medium. So generally acidic medium is preferred for ketone when condensation of ketone is there. And this compound, this acetone gives aldol condensation. Actually it will be ketol condensation. Now take this formaldehyde. I will take this formaldehyde. There is no अल्फा कार्बन, यहां पे अल्फा कार्बन ही नहीं है, तो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन कहां से आएगा? Here it is only aldehydic group. There is no alpha carbon, so there is no question of alpha hydrogen, and aldol condensation is not possible in case of formaldehyde. यहां पे possible नहीं है. Another example I will take benzaldehyde. बेंजल्डिहाइड का एग्जांपल लूंगा मैं. With respect to this aldehyde group, this carbon is alpha. यहां पे अल्फा कार्बन है. Then what about alpha hydrogen? There is no acidic hydrogen, there is no alpha hydrogen, and aldol condensation is not possible because to this carbon already 4 bonds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no hydrogen on this alpha, and there is no aldol condensation. Suppose compound is like this, aldehyde is like this, trimethyl acetaldehyde. Is any possibility of aldol condensation? What is condition for this alpha hydrogens? Must, without alpha hydrogen there is no aldol condensation, or that is ketol condensation. So here with respect to this aldehyde group, this is alpha carbon तो है, but on this alpha carbon 3 methyl groups are there, there is no hydrogen, यानी aldol condensation is not possible in this compound also. So here condensation of aldehydes and ketones or ketones in the presence of dilute base. What is condition for this dilute base is required? And a condensation in the presence of what? Dilute base or acid. Dilute base or acid. It gives aldol. Aldol is also known as a beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone. Now types. How many types of aldol condensations are there? Here main reaction intermediate is carbanion. We are dealing with carbanion. Carbanion इसका intermediate है. And in step 1 formation of carbanion we will see in detail in mechanism. Step 1 में carbanion formation होता है, उसका stabilization होता है, enolate formation होता है, second step में enolate का attack होता है. Isn't it? So types of aldol condensation. How many types? Number 1, self aldol condensation. It is also known as a simple aldol condensation. Second type, crossed aldol condensation. And when two different aldehydes condensed in the presence of what? dilute base or dilute acid, that reaction is said to be crossed, or one aldehyde, one ketone, this is also said to be what? Crossed aldol condensation. And number 3, intramolecular aldol condensation. यानी विदिन मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बेनियन, एक ही मॉलिक्यूल में फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बेनियन, अटैक ऑफ कार्बेनियन, isn't it? Within molecule. So compound when 2 carbonyl groups are present in the same molecule, in that case possibility of what? Intramolecular aldol condensation. So we'll see one by one. So first, self condensation, self aldol condensation or simple aldol condensation. In self condensation or in simple condensation, condensation of 2 same aldehydes or 2 same ketones in the presence of dilute base or dilute acid is said to be self condensation. To explain this, to explain the mechanism of this, I will take example of acetaldehyde. See here, condensation of acetaldehyde. IUPAC name of this compound is ethanol. A reaction takes place in the presence of dilute base. I will take 10% sodium hydroxide for this, or simply you can write dilute base, dilute NaOH. You can take potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. Just we have to warm this, ये mixture warm करना है. How to write product directly without any mechanism? Suppose question is there, identify A and B. अगर A यहाँ पे A है, so how to identify A? Suppose we don't have so much time to explain mechanism, then how to identify A? So it is very easy. See here, write down first aldehyde as it is without pi bond. See here, CH3, a carbon hydrogen, this is carbon or hydrogen like this. Now here it is carbon oxygen double bond, so simply take single bond only. It is like this. Now take second acetaldehyde, second molecule of acetaldehyde. For this CH3 we can write CH2 and one hydrogen separately. यहाँ का हाइड्रोजन निकालो, take this hydrogen and fix to this oxygen, ये OH हुआ. Now CH2C double bond OH attach a remaining chain as it is to this carbon, यानी यहाँ पे ये CH2 C double bond OH, ऑक्सीजन होता है तो 2 lone pair of electrons we have to show, 2 lone pair of electrons. What is this? Now this is aldehydic, this is OH, and aldehydic functionality here it is alcoholic OH. This compound is said to be multifunctional compound. Now tell me whether this is alcohol or this is aldehyde. We know that a priority goes to aldehydic, first aldehyde and then alcohol, and a compound basically aldehyde. So here with respect to this aldehydic group, this carbon is alpha and this is a beta, beta. So this compound is said to be what? Beta hydroxy aldehyde. This compound is said to be beta hydroxy aldehyde. Is it? This carbon is alpha with respect to aldehydic. Next to alpha, this is a beta. And what is the position of alcoholic OH? This group is said to be hydroxy. Yani position of this hydroxy on beta. So this is the beta hydroxy aldehyde. This is the common name. Or this is simply aldol. A aldol hai. This is aldol. A aldol hai. अभी इसका मैकेनिज्म यानी हाउ दिस रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस ये पता होना चाहिए. अगर किसी रिएक्शन का मैकेनिज्म आपको पता है, isn't it? So you can write so many examples. So what is mechanism? How to write a mechanism of this? In mechanism, इसका mechanism, 3-step mechanism. In step 1, formation of carbanion, because carbanion is the reaction intermediate. Carbanion negatively charged carbon. After formation of carbanion, uska stabilization and stabilization of carbanions here. And step one, formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion, and after resonance stabilization, here you can write formation of, here it is the formation of enolate ion. Formation of enolate ion. Formation of carbanion, and after formation of carbanion, resonance stabilization of that carbanion. See here, I will take first molecule of acetaldehyde. Isn't it? A reaction of this. Remember, this is a reversible, but forward reaction is more faster than backward reaction. So I will show like this. Forward arrow is long and it is faster compared to backward. It is small. Backward reaction is slow. Forward reaction fast. This reaction takes place in the presence of dilute base. OH minus and a base. OH minus and a what? Base. Now, a base. Just we have seen what is the nature of alpha hydrogen atoms. Alpha hydrogen atoms are acidic, and this base will abstract what? A base क्या करेगा? Acidic hydrogen abstract करेगा. तो क्या बना? This OH minus will combine with this H plus and a removal of H2O. अभी H2O बाहर निकल रहा है. And we know that when small molecules like water, methyl alcohol given out, that reaction is said to be condensation. That is why this reaction is said to be what? Aldol condensation. So here, after a removal of alpha hydrogen, अभी ये जो bond break होगा, after bond, here two electrons are there. So after breaking a bond, shifting of both electrons towards what? Electronegative group. So here, shifting of electrons towards carbon. अभी यहाँ पे कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है. And when any atom gains electrons, accept electrons, it acquire negative charge. अभी कार्बन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी होगी, कार्बन निगेटिवली चार्ज होगा, यानी ACH2 माइनस C डबल बॉन्ड OH. एक कार्बेनियन है. दिस कार्बन इज अ कार्बेनियन. यहां पे अभी ये दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, मैं यहां शो करूंगा. यहां पे after breaking up this bond, shifting of electrons towards carbon, shifting of both electrons. Now अभी इसका resonance stabilization होना है. You know what is a resonance? Here this lone pair of electron is present in conjugation with multiple bond. What is the resonance effect? Polarity acquired due to redistribution of electrons, redistribution of pi electrons, non-bonding electrons. Isn't it? But that system should be conjugated. वो system conjugated, alternate होनी चाहिए. So here यहाँ पे lone pair है, यहाँ पे single bond है, यहाँ पे double bond है. So this is conjugated like a double, single, double. So lone pair, single, double. So shifting of these two electrons here, यानी इससे pi bond बनेगा. Isn't it? So अगर यहाँ पे double bond बनता है, now this carbon will have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and new bond 5. But carbon is tetravalent. To maintain tetravalency, breaking of pi bond and shifting of electrons towards oxygen. यानी इसका resonating structure क्या हुआ? अभी यहाँ पे कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है, so will acquire positive charge. So this positive negative neutralized. यहाँ पे कौन सा भी चार्ज नहीं होगा, CH2 डबल बॉन्ड C. यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, so it will acquire negative charge. So here it is O minus and H. This is said to be enolate ion. This is said to be enolate ion. And in step 1 formation of enolate ion after resonance stabilization, here it is a carbanium. Carbon negatively charged carbon. And intermediate is a carbanium. This is step 1. Step 2. Step 2. Attack of enolate ion. attack of enolate ion on second molecule of aldehyde. अभी इसका कार्बोनिल ग्रुप पे अटैक होगा क्योंकि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच है, कार्बन नेगेटिवली चार्ज कार्बन, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी, यहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी. सो अटैक ऑफ इनोलेट आयन, सेकंड स्टेप, acetaldehyde, second molecule of acetaldehyde. Abhi I will take hydrogen, I will show this hydrogen like this. Now I will take enolate. Again this is reversible but forward is faster than backward. अब इसका reshuffling होगा. Again shifting of these two electrons here and again formation of carbon oxygen double bond. Tell me total number of bonds to carbon 5 and this carbon again pentavalent. So breaking of this, again formation of carbanion attack and a shifting of this bond here. यानी formation of new carbon-carbon single bond between these two carbon atoms. This is the special feature of aldol condensation, formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. अब इस कार्बन को total number of bonds will be 5. So breaking a pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. यानी CH3 ACH as it is. Now here it is O minus, O minus, CH2, C double bond O, H. This is ion after attack of what? Enolate ion on second molecule of aldehyde. Step number 3. Step number 3. Abstraction of H plus यानी proton from water. In step 1, water is released. See, when this OH minus combines with acidic hydrogen, water molecule is released. So here it is H2O. Now this ion will abstract H plus from water. Water and H plus and OH minus. So this O minus will take H plus. Yani formation of what? Aldol. Formation of aldol, that is beta hydroxy. Here it is CH2. C double bond OH. So this is alpha carbon, this is a beta, यानी this is beta hydroxyaldehyde, यानी ये हुआ आपका aldol. Because aldol is also known as a beta hydroxyaldehyde. So this is the mechanism of aldol condensation in step number 1, formation of carbanion. There is a resonance stabilization. This double-headed arrow indicates resonance stabilization, formation of enolate ion. In a second step, attack of enolate ion on this carbonyl group. Formation of ion, intermediate ion like this. In step number 3, this intermediate ion will abstract H plus from water because in step 1 water is released. Same water we have to use here. So here formation of what? Beta hydroxy, because this is alpha carbon. ये alpha हुआ, ये beta हुआ. Position of hydroxy group on beta. So this is the mechanism of this. अगर इसका decomposition मैंने किया, decomposition of this, इसका डिकम्पोजिशन किया तो क्या बनेगा? When this aldol is heated in the presence of dilute acid, or simply we can heat for this up to 100 degrees Celsius, isn't it? So here it gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. It gives alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So I will take same aldol. CH2. For the CH2, I will write like this. Here it is C double bond OH. When this aldol is heated in the presence of dilute acid, so what will happen? So breaking up this कार्बन हाइड्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड, पहले तो इसका प्रोटोनेशन होगा, OH2 निकल जाएगा, बाद में बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, इधर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड, और सिंपली यू कैन शो लाइक दिस, सिंपली यू कैन शो लाइक दिस, शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड हियर, यानी यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड. So total number of bonds will be 5. So breaking up this and removal of OH and H, removal of H2O and formation of CH3CH, CH3CH, double bond CH, C double bond OH. This is alpha, this is beta, and this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Unsaturated aldehyde. This is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Name of this compound is crotonaldehyde. So here breaking of this hydrogen only, removal of this hydrogen only, because these hydrogens are more acidic. ये acidic है. Not breaking of hydrogen, carbon hydrogen single bond form here, because these hydrogens are less, very less acidic, because distance between these hydrogen atoms and aldehyde group is less. It is more. So very weak acidic. So these hydrogen atoms are what? Acidic. So removal of this, breaking of this carbon hydrogen single bond, shifting here, formation of double bond, breaking of OH and removal of H2O. So formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is the mechanism of what? Self condensation reaction, isn't it? In next lecture we'll see few more examples of self condensation, self aldol condensation. If any doubt, you can put your doubt in comment box. So definitely I will back to you. Thank you.